Welcome to all participants. Though those are participate in my today's lecture. The activity number is 2.1 and the name of activity is Minnie and Winnie. This poem is in the 6th standard. Now today we discuss here in detail. In this poem, one mother has singing a song because she has she has his two sisters, two daughters, and he she is singing this song for sleeping two daughters. Now, first I read the poem. You have to attend. You have to listen this song, and also you have to put your finger line to line. Minnie and Winnie slept in a cell. Sleep, little ladies, and they slept well. Pink was the sail within, silver without. Sounds of the great sea wandered about. Sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. Echo on echo, dies to the moon. Two bright stars peep into the sail. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Started a green linnet out of the crop. Wake, little ladies, the sun is aloft. Now, in this way, I read the poem, and you have to listen the poem. This poem. Now, I tell you the meaning of the poem. And this poem is written. The poet name is Alfred Lord Tennyson. Has written this poem. Now we are taking one by one stanza. Here are two sisters, and the name of that two sisters are Minnie and Winnie. The both sisters they are sleeping in a cell. Cell is generally found at the edge of the sea. Slept in a cell. Cell in Marathi where say that word. The meaning of the meaning of the word is cell means शंख आणि मिनी आणि विनी नावाच्या दोन बहिणी ह्या शंकामध्ये झोपलेल्या आहेत. दॅट इज द थर्ड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ द वर्ड स्लीप स्लेप्ट. स्लीप लिटल लेडीज अँड दे स्लेप्ट वेल. आणि आई अंगाई गीताच्या माध्यमातून त्या दोन मुलींना सांगते की तुम्ही आता झोपी जावा. स्लीप लिटल लेडीज अँड दे स्लेप्ट वेल. आणि त्या अंगाई गीतातून आई आपल्या त्या दोन लहान मुलींना अंगाई गीताद्वारे झोपी लावत आहे. अँड दे स्लेप्ट वेल. आणि त्या अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीनं त्या झोपलेल्या आहे. नाव who are the sisters? Now you have to write Minnie and Winnie are the two sisters, and where both are slept, they are slept in a cell. Such types of question are asking on the stanza. And then second question is here, find out rhyming pairs from the stanza. Minnie, you have to write Winnie. Then cell, you have to write the rhyming pair of the cell is whale. In this way, first stanza is over. Now second stanza, pink was the smell, pink was the cell within. तो शंख जो आहे तो गुलाबी रंगाचा आहे. सिल्वर विदाउट विदाउट मीन्स आउटसाइड. आणि बाजूला जो आहे तो चांदीसारखा सिल्वर टाईप तो शंखाच्या बाजूला तो तसा रंग आहे. साऊंड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट सी. वंडर्ड अबाउट, आणि समुद्राच्या जो काय प्रचंड असा मोठा जो समुद्र आहे त्या समुद्राच्या लाटांचा आवाज, तो आवाज काय होतोय, वंडर्ड अबाउट. टू वंडर्ड मीन्स टू ट्रॅव्हल, भटकणे. टू वंडर्ड, तो समुद्रातल्या त्या लाटांचा आवाज तो काय होतोय, तो असा संचार करत आहे, दूरवर जात आहे. साऊंड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट सी वंडर्ड अबाउट, आणि त्या शंख जो आहे त्या शंखाच्या अवतीभोवती त्या लाटांचा आवाज काय होतोय, तो एका ठिकाणावरून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जात आहे. नाउ थर्ड स्टांजा इज हिअर. What is the some questions I ask on the second stanza? What is the color of the sail? In the inner side, the sail color of the inside is a pink, and the outside which color is
White.
there? The silver. And who were wondered about the sounds of the great sea must be wondered about it. Now in the third stanza, sleep little ladies, wake not soon. तर ह्या ज्या दोन लहान बहिणी आहेत तर यांनी चांगलं झोपावं. वेक नॉट सून, टू वेक मीन्स जागे होणे, सून मीन्स लवकर, नॉट सून लवकर जागे होऊ नका. स्लीप लिटिल लेडीज, इचो अँड इचो, दॅट इज द साऊंड, अ साऊंड दॅट वी आर हर्ड अगेन अँड अगेन, दॅट्स द मिनिंग ऑफ इचो. Wake not soon, echo and echo dies to the moon. To die means, here the meaning is coming. To die means मावळणे. To dies to the moon. Here are some rhyming words are coming. Soon mean soon. The rhyming pairs of the soon is moon. Two bright stars in the sky. Two bright stars are also in the sky. Peep into the sail. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Here is question. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Who means कोण सांगू शकेल. Now the last stanza. Started a green linnet out of the croft. Here is the croft means a small farm. From that farm some green linnet has come. Wake little ladies, wake little ladies, the sun is aloft. Aloft means up in the air. Now sun is aloft, so both are wake early. The moon is going to die, so you have to, sun is rise, so you have to wake early in the morning. In this way the poet has saying some thoughts from that poem. Now some questions are given on that poem. You have to solve these questions in your notebook properly. First, you have to sing this poem by heart and recite it. Second one is find and write rhyming words. Now third question, words that begin with yes, three pairs of opposites, words that have two letter L. Four things you may in the see in the sky. आकाशामध्ये रात्रीच्या वेळेला कोणत्या तुम्हाला वस्तू दिसतात ते ऑब्झर्व करून लिहा. Such types of questions are given on page number 229. You have to write it. You have to solve it in your notebook, and we are meet the next lecture. So thanks about it.